Okay. Now we are going to discussing about B complex vitamins and what is C vitamins. These all are water soluble vitamins. Before I told now B complex vitamins. They are 8. Here place is not sufficient. That's why how many vitamins are fitted here, that much only I wrote. Later I will discuss about this. So first one is thiamine. Second one is riboflavin. Third one is niacin. Fourth one is pyridoxine. Fifth one is cyanocobalamin. Seventh one, sixth one, two, three, four, five. Sixth one is folic acid. Seventh one is pantothenic acid. And final one is biotin. The final one is biotin. 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 What is the final one? Biotin. So nerve disorders. Due to biotin, nerve disorders. Nerve, 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 DASORDERS, nerve disorders. Okay, listen carefully. Biotin. So here fatigue, 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 and so mental depression, muscle pains. Mental depression, MENTAL, mental depression, DIPRESSION, yes. Now we are going to discussing about water soluble vitamins only. They are 8. How many? 8 vitamins. First one, thiamine. It is otherwise called as B1 vitamin. Second one, riboflavin. This is otherwise called as B2 vitamin. Third one is niacin. It is otherwise called as B3 vitamin. Next one is pyridoxine. It is otherwise called as B6. And the next one is cyanocobalamin. It is otherwise called as B12, vitamin B12. And next one is folic acid. And the next one is pantothenic acid. And the last 8th one is biotin. These 8 are water soluble vitamins. That's why these 8 are called B complex vitamins. First, one by one we are discussing. So what is first? What is the name of the vitamin? So from which resource the vitamins are available? So if we are not taking that vitamins, so due to the vitamin deficiency, what diseases we will get? And next, so what is the symptoms of that deficiency of the vitamins and symptoms of that diseases? Okay, one by one. So first one is thiamine, is otherwise called as B1 vitamin. So where B1 vitamin is available? Cereals. Cereals, that means కందులు plus జొన్నలు, సజ్జలు, రాగులు. These are called cereals and oil seeds. So these thiamine vitamin available in cereals, oil seeds and vegetables. Number of the vegetables, these thiamine vitamin will available, and milk, meat, fish, egg. When we take these all items in adequate manner, definitely we will get complete thiamine. That means vitamin B1. If vitamin B1 deficiency, which disease is caused inside the body? Let us see. Beriberi. What is the disease? Beriberi. Let us see. What are the symptoms of beriberi disease? First one, vomitings. First one, vomitings. Second one, fits. Due to deficiency of the B1 vitamin, Very disease happen inside the body. The symptoms of the very disease is vomitings, fits, loss of appetite. What is the loss of appetite? They are not able to take the food material. They won't show interest to take the food material. That is called loss of appetite. And the next one is difficulty in breathing. Yes, they are face problems, so many problems in breathing. So they will face difficult in breathing. And final one is paralysis. Already we know that some people are like this, like that. So this is called paralysis. These are the thiamine. Thiamine is available in these items. Due to deficiency of the thiamine, very disease will occur. The symptoms of the very disease. Next, second one is riboflavin. This is otherwise called as B2 vitamin. So where riboflavin is available, let us see, milk, eggs, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables. Yes, when we take milk, eggs, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables, definitely we will get sufficient amount of the this riboflavin, that means B2 vitamin. If riboflavin is deficiency, definitely we will get glossitis disease. You know the meaning of the glossitis diseases? Let us see the symptoms. See, cracks around the corners of the mouth. Yes, so when we are in small age, so here, so some these lips are cracked, small cracked. Here, see, crackers around the corners of the mouth. Here, corners of the mouth, some cracks will appear. White color cracks will appear. That is called crackers appear at the surroundings of the two mouths. So this is called cracks. And next one is red sore tongue. Our tongue is red in color. If you take anything, there is a very manta like that. There is a very fire like that sensation. Okay, and sore tongue and photophobia. What is the meaning of the photophobia? There are number of the phobias are there. What is the meaning of the photophobia? So the people, those who are suffering with photophobia, they are unable to see the sunlight. This is called photophobia. They will feel fear to see the sunlight. They will feel fear to see the sunlight. This is called photophobia. And next one is scaly skin. Already we know that during the winter season our skin is going to white in color. When we scratch like this, some cells are drop off from our skin. This is about the riboflavin, from where this is available, what is the deficiency disease, glossitis, what is the symptoms. Next, the third one is niacin. This is otherwise called as B3 vitamin. This is otherwise called as B3 vitamin. From where these are available? See, kidney. Which kidney? So we will eat the chicken. So we will eat chicken. In that chicken, kidneys are there, or some other chicken, mutton, fish like that. So from that kidneys and liver, kidney, liver, meat, eggs, fish, oil seeds. So fish, oil seeds. When we eat these all items, definitely we will get sufficient amount of the niacin. Is otherwise called as B3. So due to deficiency of the niacin, what disease is caused inside our body? Pellagra. Pellagra is one of the dangerous diseases because of its appearance on the hands. So many scratchings are there. So many scratchings appear on the hands. Red. red color spots are appear on the corners of the fingers, on the palm of the fingers. This is called pellagra. So what is the symptoms of pellagra? Dermatitis. What is the meaning of the dermatitis? Skin diseases. Skin disease is nothing but dermatitis. Yes, dermatitis, any disease. Dermatitis is nothing but skin diseases and diarrhea. Last night I told that diarrhea means loose motions along with fever. Loose motions along with fever. And the next, loss of memory. They will easily forget about anything. Loss of memory is due to niacin B3. B3, loss of memory and scaly skin. Before already I told. And the next one is pyridoxine. Next one is pyridoxine. So this is also one of the B complex vitamin. From where this pyridoxine will available? Cereals, oil seeds, egg, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, egg, liver. So these all are almost very closely equal, almost closely equal, one or two, except one or two. These all are same only. Okay. Cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, egg, liver. Due to deficiency of the these pyridoxine, what disease is caused? Anemia. Anemia is very, very dangerous disease. The people will die due to anemia. Totally, what are the symptoms of the anemia? Let us discuss about that. So, listen carefully here. Anemia. So, how is anemic people? So, anemia people will behave. So, hyper irritability. Without reason, they feel very angry. High BP, hyper irritability, nausea, some type of pain. Nausea means some type of pain. And vomitings, already we know what is vomitings, and fits. So these are the symptoms of anemia disease. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of the pyridoxine B6. Xin 6, like that we can remember this. And next one is cyanocobalamin. Next one is cyanocobalamin. It is otherwise called as B12 also. So this cyanocobalamin is prepared by bacteria which is present in our small intestine. This cyanocobalamin is not available through the vegetables and food materials. You know in our small intestine there are lakhs of the bacteria are there. These bacteria will prepare the cyanocobalamin vitamin and gives to the body. And listen carefully. What is the deficiency of the cyanocobalamin? Pernicious anemia. Anemia means loss of blood. The meaning of the anemia is loss of blood. What is pernicious anemia? This is too much loss of blood. Definitely the person will die, no doubt at all. So this is too much loss of blood. Okay. So what is the symptoms of these pernicious anemia? Lean. So lean and weak. Lean like this. Lean, weak, and less appetite. Already before I told that, and they have no interest to take the food material. There is no akali, less appetite. That's meaning is less appetite. Okay, this is about cyanocobalamin B12. Next, folic acid. Yes, folic acid is also B complex vitamin. So from where folic acid is available? Liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables. What is leafy vegetables? Already in market several leafy vegetables are available. When we take these meat, milk, egg, leafy vegetables, kidney, liver, like that, definitely we will get cyanco, definitely we will get folic, we will get folic acid. What is the deficiency of the folic acid? Again, anemia. Due to deficiency of the pyridoxine, anemia will causes in the body. In the same way, due to deficiency of the folic acid also leads to formation of the anemia disease in the body. That patients is called anemic patients. The patients is called anemic patients. What is the symptoms of the anemia? Diarrhea. Already I told. Loose motions along with fever. What is symptom? Next, loss of leukocytes. What is the meaning of loss of leukocytes? Do you know leukocytes? Do you know leukocytes? Leukocytes are one type of white blood cells. White blood cells, leukocytes, monocytes. So here eosinophils, basophils, eosinophils, leukocytes, monocytes. These are the types of white blood cells. Here, loss of leukocytes. Yes, when we are suffering with anemia, leukocytes are not there. Leukocytes, the number of the leukocytes will be decreased. సో బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ పడిపోయినాయి మా అబ్బాయికి అంటారు, తెలుసు కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ద సో దట్ లెస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యూకోసైట్స్ అండ్ దెర్ ఇస్ some of the problems arise in mucus layer. If mucus layer is not proper inside our digestive gut, there are so many problems we have to face. Those are the diseases about folic acid. And next, the seventh one is pantothenic acid, where pantothenic acid will available sweet potatoes. Do you know sweet potatoes? Yes. We will soak it in hot water. After that, we will eat. And ground nuts, pallilu, ground nuts and vegetables, liver, kidney, eggs. When we eat these all items, definitely we will get pantothenic acid. Okay. After that, okay, and next, this pantothenic acid, burning feet sensation. Yes, burning, burning, burning in feet, burning in feet. So these feet are burning sensation. We will feel burning sensation in feet. So that is the symptoms of the pantothenic acid. So here, burning sensation. So this is about pantothenic acid. What is that pantothenic acid? So what is the problems about this burning in feet? Walking problems. We are not able to walk properly from here to there. We are not able to walk properly because of our feet will get the burning sensation. That's why we feel somewhat difficult to move from one place to another place. And not only that, some of the sprain problems also will arise. This is about pantothenic acid. And eighth one and last one is biotin. Biotin is available. Biotin is available leafy vegetables. Already we know that leafy vegetables, carrot, biotin is available in carrot, tomatoes, pumpkins, papaya, mango, meat, fish, egg, liver, milk and cod liver oil. What is the meaning of the cod? Cod is also one type of the fish. Cod is also one type of the fish. Cod liver oil and shark liver oil. When we take these all, then easily we can overcome this biotin problem. What is the disorders about this biotin? Nerve disorders. Nerve disorders will happen. nerve disorders. What is the nerve disorders? That is fatigue and mental depression. Mental depression. Somebody will feel some depressions. They are thinking very deeply, and they must and should go near the psychiatrist. The doctor will write some of the medicines to overcome that problem. So these are the water soluble vitamins, and so 8 water soluble vitamins I told. Another one is there, vitamin C. What is that? Another one is there, that is vitamin C. What is that? That is vitamin C. So what is vitamin C? See here. Yes, vitamin C, B complex, B complex, and vitamin C. I told already. I told about 8 B complex vitamins, and C vitamin is otherwise called as ascorbic acid. ASCORBIC, ascorbic acid. Yes, vitamin C. The scientific name of the vitamin C, very important bit. The scientific name of the vitamin C is ascorbic acid. What is the disease occurs due to deficiency of the vitamin C? Scurvy disease. The disease is SCURVY. Scurvy disease. What is the meaning of the scurvy disease? So listen carefully. So this vitamin C is available in all citrus fruits. What is citrus fruits? So lemon, orange, batai, all type of the citrus fruits, amla, like these types of fruits, vitamin C is available. And not only that, within very cheap cost, in guava fruit also will give high amount of the vitamin C. Yes, due to deficiency of the vitamin C, scurvy disease will happen. Scurvy disease will occur inside our body. What is the symptoms of the scurvy disease? See this gums. We have teeth. Around the teeth there is gums. So the gums are always bleeding the blood. That's why our mouth always will give bad smell due to scurvy disease. So this is the water soluble vitamins, B complex and C vitamins. Already I completed water soluble vitamins. Now I am going to discussing about now next we are going to discussing about fat soluble vitamins.